Welcome to this instruction video on Duosoft field, and in this video I'll be demonstrating to you how to do a random Asbuilt survey using your total station surveying instrument. And we'll be doing that random Asbuilt survey using our Duosoft field app. So let's set up Duosoft. Okay, we're just going to confirm the name here and select job. I'm going to be using one of the jobs that I've been using before, which is the road stakeout PI, VPI width or PR3. So when you have to do a random Asbuilt survey, you will also need to have defined this data, which is the PI data, VPI data, and width also. That will also include the crossfalls as well. Okay, so from here I'm also going to select connect to instrument and use the simulator. And I'm going to select OK. So first of all, I'm going to select the map and info so you can see the data that we have in this job. Okay, map and info. If I select map, so as you can see in there, we have all our control points imported. Those are the ones in red. The PIs, which are the ones in blue, and we also have the VPIs and the crossfalls as well. So let me go back. And horizontal alignment, so this is our horizontal alignment data. Vertical alignment, this is the vertical alignment data. And crossfalls, this is the crossfalls data. And the width, so this is our width data. Okay, let me go back and select survey. So we're still going to be working on the same orientation that I had saved on this job. So I'm going to select use last to a fix. And what I want to demonstrate to you in this video is how to do a random Asbuilt survey. So when you do a random Asbuilt survey, this is done on let's say you have constructed a roadway. That roadway has been done, and now you want to check at random points if what has been constructed is to the design standard. Okay, so you'd set up your total station at a particular chainage, and you'll orientate your total station and then just take shots to any feature that you want to take, as long as that feature has been defined in the alignment of the road. So let's do the Asbuilt, random Asbuilt survey. So I'm going to select Asbuilt. As you can see, it will show that I have 11 PIs defined in this job, 71 VPIs, and 3,663 crossfalls. And it will also ask if there are any differences to the design. That would mean if your Asbuilt is, let's say you're doing an Asbuilt to a layer, not the complete roadway, to a layer, let's say the sub-base layer, and that layer is, let's say, 30 centimeters below the final level. So you put in a difference to design of minus 30 centimeters, where it asks you for a difference to design. Okay, so because I'm doing my Asbuilt the final level, I'm going to select OK and leave the difference to design at 0. Okay, so the prism height that I will be using is 1.8 meters, and what I do now is I just place my target at any point that I want to find out if that point is within tolerance. So what I do is I press measure, and when I press measure, of course the total station will get for me the horizontal, vertical, and slope distance automatically to the target. Okay, but for this example, I'll be putting in this data manually. Okay, so in this case, my horizontal alignment is 343.0442, and the vertical alignment, the vertical angle is 89.5958, and I I have a slope distance of 45.132. Okay, I'm going to select OK, and Duosoft will calculate the coordinates of that point that I've cited to, as well as determining the closest chainage. So by the looks of this, the closest chainage, if I round this up, it's 42110. So it's chainage 42,110, and the offset is to the left at about 8.9 meters to the left, and the design height is that much, and that's what I have measured. So the difference between the design and what I've actually measured is around about 2.4 centimeters. Okay, so what I will do, if in order to do this multiple times, you just cite to as many points as you can, and Duosoft will continue giving you those differences. So let's do this with another point. So this point is 350.4255. that's horizontal angle. Vertical angle is 89.5955. Slope distance is 36.738. Okay, and it also gives me the coordinate, closest chainage, the offset left or right, design height, and the difference. So let's also go measure another point, and this point horizontal angle is 338.0650. Horizontal angle is 89.17. No, it's 89.5956, and a slope distance of 54.173. Select OK, and Duosoft will calculate for me the coordinate, the closest chainage. For this case is 4 to 100. The offset is 8.842 to the left, design height, and the difference between the design and the measured height. So that, in short, is how you undertake random Asbuilt survey with Duosoft field. Thank you.